Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to remove your phone number from Discord. We'll go through the steps on both mobile and desktop, and we'll also answer some common questions. Let's get started. But before we start showing you the steps, let's first understand what happens when you remove your phone number from Discord. When you remove your phone number from Discord, you won't be able to use it for two-factor authentication anymore. This means your account might be less secure. Also, if you use your phone number to log in, you will need to use your email instead. But don't worry, you'll still have access to all your chats and servers. Let's see how you can remove your Discord phone number on a mobile device. Open the Discord app on your phone. Go to your profile and tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Account. Tap on Phone. Tap on Remove Phone Number. Enter your Discord password to confirm. Tap Remove again. And that's it. You've removed your phone number from Discord on your phone. But what if you use Discord on a desktop device? Let's understand how to do it on a desktop. 2. Open Discord on your computer. Click on the gear icon at the bottom left to go to User Settings. Click on My Account. Next to your phone number, click on Remove. Enter your Discord password to confirm. Click Remove again. You're all set. Your phone number has been removed from Discord on your desktop. But remember, unfortunately, you cannot remove your phone number from Discord without logging in. You need to log in to access your account settings. If you can't log in, try resetting your password or contacting Discord support for help. Even after following the steps, if you're still having trouble changing your phone number on Discord, it might be because your new phone number is already linked to another Discord account. You need to verify your email address first. There's an issue with Discord servers. That's all for today. Now you know how to remove your phone number from Discord on both mobile and desktop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.